तो स्टैनफोर्ड का हाउ इज दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द हार्वर्ड एप्लीकेशन?
One, it is more detailed, longer, lengthier, comprehensive. Second, interview processes मुझे बहुत different लगे. तो we'll get to the interview part a bit later, but पहले application बता देती हूँ मैं. So again, opening it up starts with personal information, basic details, family information, what my family does, education information from GPA to क्या किया, क्या सब्जेक्ट्स थे, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज सिमिलर. हाँ, यहाँ पे अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दी like there were only 3 extracurriculars and 3 awards that you list. Here you can list almost 5 per this thing. So आपके schooling तक 5 awards और honors, आप school के 5 awards और honors specifically list कर सकते हो. तो I mentioned a school internship. I mentioned that I was a scholar batch. I spoke about an exchange program I did. I've done karate, spoke about that. तो वो था. फिर टेस्ट स्कोर्स है, GMAT. Then there is an activities and interest section जहाँ पे you talk about like 5 different activities and interests, which is hobbies. तो यहाँ पे like I've spoken about Enactus, the business case competitions, dramatics. I learned music, Hindustani classical, talked about that. Also wrote a little bit about my sharing my like startup learnings and insights via LinkedIn and other places. तो वहाँ पे the reach and all of that, like उसके बारे में थोड़ा. So everything. I think Stanford, like मैंने जितना किया, I have written everything because there's space to write about everything. Then there's a separate awards and honors section again, which is more on your college side. तो कॉलेज साइड में 5 है. तो यहाँ पे आई स्पोक अबाउट लाइक 2-3 बिजनेस केस कॉम्पिटिशंस. देयर वाज दिस लार्ज HSBC वन दैट हैड गॉन टू, उसका लिखा है. फिर Enactus Nationals that I spoke about, that I've mentioned. There was a KPMG competition that I had done, वो लिखा है. One of our water projects participated in the World Water Race, उसका लिखा हुआ है. So everything, basically 5, 5, 5. There are 15 spots to just write about like any extracurricular recognition award. तो जितना बचपन से लेके कॉलेज तक, and this is just till college. Employment वाला इसके बाद आएगा. Employment details, same. What does your company do? What is the function? Annual salary, bonus, primary roles and responsibilities. यहाँ पे it's just that. यहाँ पे वो सब नहीं है. There's not more about that. This is more factual in nature. And then 5 awards and honors related to your each work experience also. तो यहाँ पे I spoke about the Antler से जो रेस किया था, Shark Tank पे जो हुआ था, internship जो बाद में की थी, तो stuff like that. फिर then there is a post GSB, मतलब post MBA aspiration section. Then we get into essays. Stanford के 2 essays होते हैं. First one is very famously known. It's what matters most to you and why. So that is a 500-word long essay where heard a lot of stories about how, you know, people have cried while writing that essay. People go very, very deep into their past, their childhood experiences that shape them into who they are. So I think they have enough space to write. So I think that this is one essay जहाँ पे I took some time also to reflect, to think about what are those couple of things that are most important to me, and then shared that, wrote about a lot of stories, lot of examples again. So that I think is constant throughout, क्योंकि आपके जो फैक्ट्स, नंबर्स वगैरह है ना, वो आपके रेज्यूमे में भी कवर हो जाते हैं और आपके एप्लीकेशन में भी कवर हो जाते हैं. व्हाट यू आर अनेबल टू कवर देयर इज the part that has emotion and soul and stories. So I think that's the part that's important. Second ऐसे होती है हार्वर्ड की स्टैनफोर्ड की वाई स्टैनफोर्ड. तो वाई स्टैनफोर्ड इज अ लॉट अबाउट, वो स्कूल स्पेसिफिक होता है. तो आई हैड डन अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च अबाउट स्टैनफोर्ड में द काइंड ऑफ क्लासेस, क्लब्स, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, पीपल, एंड डिवाइडेड दैट इनटू सेक्शंस ऑफ हाउ आई विल मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. तो वो था.
क्या होता है इसमें, like can you just give some examples?
So at Stanford I spoke about like remember I said कि I come from a non-tech background. So Stanford allows you to take some across the street classes, which is आप Stanford के कोई भी college में जा सकते हो. तो Stanford का engineering college is one of the best in the world. So I spoke about some of the classes that I want to take there to learn about tech. Then I talked about जो startup garage वाली course है. Spoke about the entrepreneurship and tech wala focus that is very, especially the entrepreneurship focus at Stanford, which is very interesting to me. So spoke about 2-3 professors जिनसे जिनका work मुझे interesting लगता है, जिनसे मुझे probably जाके कुछ सीखना है. Yeah, broadly I think these things.
Got it.
Yeah. फिर उसके बाद they have short answer questions. तो इसमें there are 3 other short essays. So that's why, so ये 2 essays हो गए, इसके बाद 3 और essays है. The question is, one second. So yeah, think about a time in the last few years when you have created a positive impact, whether in professional, extracurricular, academic or other settings. What was your impact? What made it significant to you or others? तो यहाँ पे there were basically 3 things that you can talk about. So I spoke about like my Enactus का one of the experiences that I had there. फिर मैंने अपने state plate की like why I like sharing my startup insights with other people, how I've been helping other people build, how I've been helping women entrepreneurs build is something that I spoke about. Here as well, I spoke about that the journey, like the low journey of State Plate and how then we came back up to profitability and that bit. So ये तीनों cover हुए हैं यहाँ पे. And फिर there's an additional information section which is anything specific you want to cover जो नहीं पूछा गया है. For example, कुछ भी मतलब यहाँ पे people can explain, let's say some people have seen explain कि round 2 में क्यों apply किया, या GMAT score के बारे में कुछ लिख देते हैं, या फिर this could be anything, like let's say your recommender is unable to use their work email, तो उसके बारे में लिख दिया, technicalities. So I also wrote about how resume में मेरे timeline में दोनों work experiences were present, and that's because while I'm in Just My Roots, I'm still retained as the State Plate CEO. So hence, so this is more like technical stuff. Then you have LORs. My recommenders were the same for both schools. So both of that, and bus, that's it. Transcript, GMAT remains the same. So I think largely the difference is extracurriculars listing, I think 3x या 4x the space. Essays की word count ज़्यादा होती है और number of essays भी ज़्यादा होती है.
Essays की word count Stanford में कितनी होती है और Harvard में कितनी होती है?
Harvard में first essay is 300 words, business minded वाली. लीडरशिप एंड क्यूरियोसिटी वाली 250 वर्ड्स की होती है. स्टैनफोर्ड की फर्स्ट ऐसे 500 वर्ड है, सेकंड ऐसे 350 वर्ड है, और बाकी तीनों ऐसे 200 वर्ड ईच.
एंड मुझे क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट मैटर्स द मोस्ट टू यू एंड व्हाई? उसमें क्या टाइप के आंसर्स एक्सपेक्टेड होते हैं, या तो क्या एग्जांपल्स होते हैं? लाइक वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही रोट what matters the most to you and why. He wrote relationships, they matter the most to him, and then he like shared some stories of how his past relationships with a lot of other people, business, personal, have evolved over the last few years. तो क्या क्या अलग अलग examples होते हैं, and what is a story or what is one answer that you know of a friend or anyone की बहुत ही मतलब इतने level of personal इसमें जाते हैं?
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मैंने ऑनलाइन जो देखी थी, मैं एक बार वो भी बताती हूँ कि this person spoke about क्योंकि what matters to you the most में ना मैंने देखा है, like people talk about anything. It could be what matters to you the most could be a person, it could be a value, it could be a place, it could be a thing, it could be an emotion, it could be anything. This one person का मैंने जो ऐसे देखा था online writes that one of the like what matters the most to them, I don't know how, I don't remember the exact phrasing, but it was the importance of the letter S in his life. And he writes about he was raised by a single mother, and he lost his single parent, mother or a father, lost his parent early on. So he talks about how that parents became parent, and losing that S say what he starts with, like how he lost that S, and हर जगह उसका impact, like आप कहीं भी जा रहे हो, आप स्कूल में भी जा रहे हो, people always ask about your parents, and every time people mention parents, it hits him that that S is not there for him, and how he tried to fill that gap by doing everything else that he could to add more things in his life, to add more. So जैसे उसकी लाइफ में जो सिंगुलर चीजें थी उसको प्लूरल कैसे बनाया, राइट? तो वहां पे उसने वो एस का गैप कैसे फिल किया और एस कैसे ऐड किए. तो इट वाज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी वेरी क्रिएटिव द वे दैट वाज स्ट्रक्चर. तो वो मुझे काफी impactful और powerful भी लगी. Very nice way of also covering like how those life experiences have built this person and how through that this person has done so many things in their life. तो वो था. I think मेरे केस में I also spoke a lot about like integrity, like why integrity matters to me, why being honest matters to me, why, like where have I seen that. So I spoke a lot about like चाइल्डहुड में से जैसे मैंने देखा है अपने फैमिली एक्सपीरियंसेस से कि कैसे मेरे डैड को इफेक्ट हुआ है, जो जब मतलब like impact of immoral people or dishonest people in my family's life taking very very different turns, the impact of not seeing justice with a lot of women when I was growing up in my family, how that impacted a lot to me and why I decided that this is the kind of person I want to become, and how through every single thing I have done, how I have imbibed that in my life. I think spoke a lot about that. So that's what most of my essay was about, at least.
And इसमें जैसे for example what matters the most to you and why, like integrity हो गया, ethics हो गया, या तो values हो गए, ये सब तो लिखते हैं हम, but my question here is कि कैसे इसको स्टैंड आउट करवाना है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ये तो काफी जेनेरिक है, ऊपर ऊपर से ठीक है, इंटेग्रिटी, रिलेशनशिप्स, वैल्यूज, ये सब बहुत उनको भी पता है कि ठीक है, यू वांट वैल्यूज, यू वांट एथिक्स, मतलब एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी इन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव साइड. माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट ऐसे उसमें क्या लिखना है वो 500 वर्ड्स में कि वो जेनेरिक भी ना लगना चाहिए, एट द सेम टाइम इट शुड बी वेरी वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल.
करेक्ट. अगेन स्टोरीज, एग्जाम्पल्स, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि उससे वो डिग्री पता चलती है आपके इंटेग्रिटी की क्या डिग्री है. मतलब यू आर नॉट जस्ट सेइंग इट एज अ वर्ड, बट आपने लाइफ में देखा है. तो जैसे मैंने अपनी जब चाइल्डहुड स्टोरी बताई कि आया कहाँ से मेरे लाइफ में, ये वैल्यू क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेरे डैड के साथ ऐसा क्या हुआ कि मेरे को क्यों ये चीज इतना हिट किया, और वो चीज फिर मैंने कैसे यूज किया. लेट्स से अब मेरे को अगर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज समथिंग विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी, तो मेरे टीम में 70% से ज्यादा मेरे टीममेट्स विमेन थे, एंड हाउ आई हेल्प देम. तो then that closes the loop of what I have learned and how I have imbibed that in my life. Yeah, I wrote about कि when I had to let go of the team, there's a lot of different ways you can do it, right? मतलब बहुत लोग अपन कितने सारे स्टोरीज देखते हैं कि कोई सीईओ ने एक यूट्यूब पे वीडियो या एक ईमेल भेज दी, ब्लैंकेट ईमेल अनाउंसिंग ले ऑफ्स 90%. No humanity, right? But how I did it, how I used to jot down time कि मैं अपने टीममेट्स के साथ बैठ के उनके रेज्यूमे करा रही हूँ, उनकी इंटरव्यू प्रेप करवा रही हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि द पीपल इन माई लाइफ को मैं कितना इंपॉर्टेंस दे रही हूँ. मेरे लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मेरे टीम में जो इंसान था वो आज जब मेरे साथ काम किया और अभी जो कर रहा है वो बेटर कर रहा है लाइफ में. मैंने वो कैसे किया है, मतलब मैंने कैसे इंश्योर किया है कि वो मेरे मतलब अभी भी अगर, so very recently, like I'm very proud of a few of those people. So one of my teammates has started up. Now she is fundraising. So now I'm sitting and helping her on her fundraise deck. कैसे जाना है, कैसे आगे जाना है. तो मेरे लिए बहुत full circle moment है. So मेरे लिए बहुत important है कि वो how I take care of people who are with me. But वो just not like that. It is through these examples. कि मैंने क्या किया है उसके लिए is what shows that I'm walking the talk. With my investors, for example, there was a particular clause in our shareholder agreement. Somehow जिसकी वजह से we could have walked away with a better deal in the acquisition. However, हम लोग को वो ethical नहीं लगा, and we did not choose to exercise that clause. Even though we had complete legal freedom to do that, we didn't want to. So we chose to take the ethical path there also. जहाँ पे फिर then I remember the one of my investors, हमारी एक portfolio meeting हो रही थी, he actually announced this कि यार it is the integrity of people like Muskan that help me sleep well at night knowing कि our ecosystem is in the right place. So for me, I also mentioned this in my essays कि for me what is important is hearing that कि मेरे लाइफ में कोई इंसान ने मेरे बारे में ये बोला है that I have retained my respect more than maybe those blinding lights on Shark Tank or getting that deal. That is not important to me. This is important to me.
Fair.
So there's a lot of examples and stories.
So let's do one interesting thing, okay? I'm just trying to now put myself into these shoes.
Yeah.
And I'll now figure out, or I'm just asking myself, अगर मैं होता ये जगह पे तो मैं क्या आंसर लिखता, ठीक है?
हाँ.
So what, and I want you to just give me a very frank opinion कि इसमें ये okay है, decent है, या तो इससे क्या better कर सकते हैं, and you can be as candid as possible because मेरे को तो apply करना है नहीं, तो मेरे लिए कुछ it's not like कि
I'm
answer
not the
you have
right
to-
person वैसे, but I'll अपने हिसाब से मैं
Yeah,
बताऊंगी.
sure. I think you are the right person. You have gotten into the top 2 prestigious V schools. But yeah, तो मैं अगर होता suppose, तो what matters the most to you and why? ठीक है, तो 2-3 चीजें, मतलब आई थिंक रिलेशनशिप्स हो गया, एथिक्स हो गया, इंटेग्रिटी हो गया, ये सब तो है, मतलब टॉप ऑफ द माइंड जो आ रहा है. But let's say, yeah, okay, so this is an interesting story. If I write something like what matters to you the most and why, education matters the most to me. I know my life, the way it has changed after getting degrees like CA, CFA, and ACCA, and the impact it has had on me in my professional career of content creation journey. ये पूरा मतलब impact दिखाना pre education, post education क्या था. My dad's life कि before he was not getting a degree of like MCOM and he was pursuing CA, but he could not clear CA. But वो पूरा journey of him studying law and other courses, how his life has changed, वो वाला story अगर मैं डालूं. And ultimately, I know like my mom is funding a lot of people who are in need of education. And एक story अगर मैं ऐसे डालूं, like one of the students which she funded, 10th से like she takes care of that family. And वो student अभी IIT मद्रास में से graduate होके he is backed a package of 45 lakhs which is like a very big amount for a family like him because पूरी family अभी उसके ऊपर चलती है. So अगर suppose मैं education पे बात करूँ and then ये सारे 3-4 stories को collate करके एक साथ डालूं, do you think this is like a good approach या इससे भी deep में जाना चाहिए? What's your thought?
No, I love this, and it's very interesting because maybe this was one of the things that I also had in mind. जब मैं लिख रही थी, like I think education itself. So I have done some thinking on this, and I think like we share a lot of similarity here. But I would to like yeah, I love this, like exactly like, and I think what is important here is एक वो बस एजुकेशन वर्ड नहीं, बट वो एजुकेशन का इम्पैक्ट. तो वो जो आपने बोला ना कि डैड का एजुकेशन इतना था, मेरा एजुकेशन इतना था, उसके वजह से जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज में डिफरेंस थी, जो लाइफ में डिफरेंसेस थी, एंड देन व्हेन यू से कि यू हैव हेल्प्ड समवन ग्रैब, देन दैट शोज हाउ वही जो कि यू आर वॉकिंग द टॉक. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट मैटर्स टू यू, बट यू आर हेल्पिंग अदर्स डू इट. आई लाइक इफ आई वर यू, आई वुड ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू आर डूइंग दैट थ्रू योर पॉडकास्ट. यू आर ट्राइंग टू लेवल द प्लेइंग फील्ड बाय सेइंग कि कितने सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे इंडिया में जिनको उतना इक्वल एक्सेस टू एजुकेशन एंड नॉलेज नहीं है. वो नॉलेज गैप आप फुलफिल कर रहे हो अपने पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू, राइट? क्योंकि टेक्निकली आप देखो, मतलब फ्री में इतने लोगों को इतना सारा नॉलेज और एजुकेशन आप दे पा रहे हो, जो मे बी आपके पॉडकास्ट के अगर नहीं होता तो मे बी उनके पास नहीं होता है, कोई और फील्ड से होता था. बट यू आर बिकमिंग दैट मीडियम बिकॉज यू हैव सीन दैट इम्पैक्ट ऑफ नॉलेज where required, when required, opportunity where required, when required in your life. So I think you closing the loop with all these examples is more important than that one word कि education matters to me the most.
Correct.
और इसको आप अगर और फिर फ्यूचर में भी ले जाते कि फ्यूचर में आप इसको कैसे इंटीग्रेट करना चाहते हो. लेट्स से यू वांट टू डू सम मोर वर्क इन एजुकेशन, लेट्स से एआई और आई एम आल्सो थिंकिंग आउट लाउड कि अभी बिकॉज ऑफ एआई देयर सो मेनी पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ डिलीवरिंग मोर पर्सनलाइज्ड, hyper personalized education, like giving good quality education at much lower costs to people. And maybe if this IIT Madras kid जैसे हर एक इंसान को वो एक्सेस मिल सकता था, तो दैट इज लाइक योर विजन इन लाइफ दैट यू वांट टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स. तो आपने पूरा लूप क्लोज कर दिया.
Yeah, interesting. So इसमें the point is that more than the word education, relationships, ethics, integrity, आपके जितने भी stories, examples है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा matter करेगा. And इसमें I think what is more important is also कि you need to just take out some time because this is like a very deep question and think about all the kinds of stories or incidences in your life before answering this so that the best of the ones can go in the essay, right?
Yeah,
because
this is where those 88 questions help.
right.
Yeah.
I think that 88 questions wala activity is very interesting. Matlab, I've never seen someone like answering 88 questions and then kitne matlab deep questions bhi hoge usme, so it takes a lot of time to answer. Plus typing it down, it's like a lot of effort.
Yeah.
But awesome.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.